Hi, in this video we will be looking at graphic EQ. Now the graphic EQ can be applied to any of the outputs, so your AUXs or your matrix out or record out, anything like that. If you select a mix, so for example I'll select AUX1 lead, the only difference with the software and the console in this aspect is when you press the graphic EQ on the software, it brings up the 31 band graphic EQ in this area. Of course, on the console, this is not this is not a touch screen. This is where all your sort of controls are. So what it does is quite useful. Is when you press the graphic EQ fader flip button, it will assign all of your faders to be the graphic EQ bands. So across here, as soon as you click the graphic EQ button, all of your faders will jump to the middle because they're in the middle like here, and it will show you on the 112 you only have 28 faders, so it will show you 28 of the bands, and then when you press it again it will show you the other three that you didn't see on the first time. And also very usefully, you'll see on all the LED strips an RTA, so that will show you quickly and easily if you have a feedback problem or something you're trying to ring out a certain speaker, you could go to your AUX, map your graphic EQ to your faders and see where exactly it's feeding back, and then knock it out of the EQ. Also, of course, you could access it in your touchscreen, where you can change the graphic EQ type. These just change the way that it responds. If you look at the curve there, when you change it, it looks slightly different depending on which type you go for. And then also you can apply it obviously to outputs. So if we go to, for example, my center cluster, and my left-right speakers, they're different, they're in different places in the room. So here I can make adjustments for the room and adjustments to each of my outputs, which will require different settings. Okay, in the next tutorial we're going to be looking into soft keys.